The BRICS mechanism is an important platform for cooperation among emerging markets and developing countries. It advocates openness, inclusiveness, and win-win cooperation. It does not promote confrontation of camps and does not target any country. Regarding the imposition of tariffs, China has repeatedly stated its position. There are no winners in trade and tariff wars. Protectionism has no way out. Just now, I have already introduced one of our views on the BRICS mechanism. We believe that BRICS is a positive force in the international arena. BRICS cooperation is open and inclusive. It does not target any country. As for tariffs, we have consistently opposed tariff wars and trade wars. We oppose the use of tariffs as a tool of coercion and pressure. The imposition of tariffs indiscriminately is not in the interest of any party. The leaders of Germany and France have expressed that they attach great importance to their relations with China. They stressed that in this era of crisis and challenges, it is very important for France and China to maintain strategic communication. They emphasized the need to maintain close high-level exchanges and strengthen policy coordination. Both sides aim to deepen mutually beneficial cooperation and maintain mutual respect and constructive attitudes. They agreed to deal with differences through dialogue. Both countries seek to jointly tackle global challenges. They wish to inject more vitality into multilateralism. They aim to prevent the world from being plunged into conflicts of hegemony and confrontation of camps. We will work together to address global challenges. We will inject more vigor into multilateralism. We aim to prevent the world from falling into hegemonic conflicts and confrontation. On the occasion of the 50th anniversary of China-EU diplomatic relations, both sides should make a strategic choice. That choice is to be each other's predictable and trustworthy friends and partners. The leaders of both countries reaffirmed their firm commitment to the One China policy. I don't know the specifics of what you have mentioned, but I would like to tell you that China and Pakistan are traditional friendly neighbors. Defense and security cooperation is part of normal relations between the two countries. It is not directed against any third party. India and Pakistan are immovable neighbors. Both are important neighbors of China. For some time now, China has been closely following the development of the situation between India and Pakistan. China has been actively encouraging peace and negotiation. We aim to maintain peace and stability in the region. We welcome and support the efforts of India and Pakistan to properly address their differences through dialogue and consultation. We hope they seek fundamental solutions. China is willing to continue to play a constructive role to that end. You mentioned China-India relations. It is true that China-India relations are at a critical stage of improvement and development. We are willing to work with the Indian side. We hope to promote China-India relations along a healthy and stable track. As we all know, the 14th Dalai is a political government in exile. He has long been engaged in anti-China separatist activities under the cloak of religion. He seeks to split Tibet from China. The Indian side should be fully aware of the highly sensitive nature of the Tibet-related issue. India should recognize the anti-China separatist nature of the 14th Dalai Lama. India should abide by its commitments on the Tibet-related issue. It should be prudent in its words and actions. It should stop interfering in China's internal affairs by making use of the Tibet issue. China has already made representations to the Indian side in this regard. Your question suggests to the Chinese side to understand the competent authorities.